Hello everyone and welcome in this Fusion 360 tutorial where we're going to design a jar with threads. First I'm opening a new tab and then right on top we're going to go to preferences and make sure your default units are in millimeters because I use millimeters and this way it will be easier for you to follow. Click OK, select the front plane, create a new sketch on the front plane. Take the line tool and draw a line from the middle to the right for 30 millimeters, 40 millimeters up, and right click OK. Take the offset tool, select the lines 2 millimeters inside, OK. Again take the line tool, close the gap here in the middle, then go to the top and draw from the outer line 10 millimeters inside, 5 millimeters down, and because it's for 3D printing we're going to make an angle of 45 degrees. This way all printers can easily print it without any troubles. We're going to use the tab tool, 135 degrees, and connect it to this side. Now on the same height as this point we're going to draw a line from the outer line to the inside of 5 millimeters and close the gap on top. Right click OK. Now we're going to use the trim tool, trim these lines away. Right click OK. Again use the line tool, 2 millimeters up, all the way to the middle, 2 millimeters down, and close the gap here. Right click OK. And now as you can see we already did the jar and the lid in one design. It's easy as this. Finish sketch, select the jar design, create revolve, going to select this axis, OK, I'm going to name it jar, hide the body, highlight the sketch again, right click, repeat revolve, select the lid, axis, again the same axis, OK. Now we can select, name this body lid, OK. And now it's just a matter of creating the threads. Going to go inspect, section analysis, and select the front tool. Going to rotate it 180 degrees so it's in front of me. OK. Now we're hiding the lid. Go to create, thread, modeled, select this side of the jar. I like it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to make it 52. As you can see that it cuts a little bit in the lid. You can make it 50 if you like, it's going to work fine as well. Just make sure your lid and your jar are the same threads. Press OK, right click thread. Again, now we're going to select the inside of the lid, modeled, again 52. As you can see now it's the same. OK. But because there is always a little error in 3D printing, we're going to make a little space so it works perfectly. We're going to hide the jar, select these faces all, use the pull tool and to -0.2, select OK, and as you can see now there is a little bit more space, so if your printer is not 100% printing, it can make a little bit of error, no problem. We're going to hide the section analysis, and this is how it's done. Now you can save it and export it for 3D printing, and you won't even need any supports. Make sure this is on the printing bed, and this was it. If you have any questions about the design, feel free to ask them in the comments. If you have any suggestions about making designs, what you like to see, put them in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Thank you for watching this, hope you liked it, and see you next time.